Yo, so welcome back to this 0x02 of Rust. So what we are gonna do here, we are gonna write our first code in Rust. Well, no. So for that, I have this Rust folder here. I thought I've deleted that, but I didn't delete that. Wait. Oh yeah, no. So let me delete that for you, or just delete the file. Okay, we have here. So I will delete the hello, then hello. See, let's delete everything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna print our hello world here. Let's open a text editor. You just need that. I will use Vim. You can use any text editor you like. I'll do hello or hell.rs. rs is just an extension of Rust. I will tell you everything here in pretty much short way. I should be using okay, well, let's start the function with fn main, and this is the first line. Okay, I think I'll explain you after writing this everything what Rust first hello world code looks like. So which makes more sense. Hell, I'll use and here, or okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so that's it. This is our first code here. So maybe I should compile it first, or nope, maybe I should compile. No. Okay, so let me make it bigger so you can see. This is our function, and this is our main function here. This is the first line which compiler will see and from where the program will start, and this is our print ln macro. So it's a macro, what do we call here, macro function in Rust. So if this doesn't add here, it shouldn't be called macro, but it's a macro function. Don't just be confused, but you can just say it as a function here in this second video, but after we go more deep in Rust, you doesn't have to be say it function. You will already get it. So and then here we are just printing it. So what in this code, the thing which is actually doing the work is the second line, which is actually printing the hell. So we will go back. We have already saved that. Now we are going to compile it. So we can compile it with rust c and then hell, and that's it. It's gonna just compile it. Now our code has been compiled. If I do ls, you can see the hell executable file is here. It's a binary file, you can see. So it's an executable, so we can execute it. So yeah, you can see this. Okay, now yeah, now what? We are just gonna run it. So here we are, the hell, and the space here is because wait, yep, I can just go, I can just get it, so you can just see. So this is because the space here is because of new line. If you just remove that new line, it does, you are not gonna see the that new line space. Wow. So let me remove it. Then we will compile it again. So many codes here. Okay, we compile it. Now we're gonna go to our hell one, and here you go. No spaces here. It's good. And in the next video I will show you why to use cargo and how to write this same program in cargo, which is actually recommended by the Rust developers. So yeah, hold on for this moment. If you have just did this, if you have written your first code, you can just do it like a hello world, as everyone do in the programming world. So congratulations, you are a Rust programmer now, and put it in your resume because you know now how to code in Rust. So actually you're gonna love the Rust, I think. So we are gonna also do many more programming, but this is the second part of this series. I hope you like it. So you can just write your code like this. Maybe if you have some doubts, you can just ask me. You can just DM me on Twitter. My Twitter is this Frey0. So this is my Twitter. So just go, and I have like every username is changed in every social media, so you know that's for privacy purposes, not the same one in everyone. So just go and hit me there, ping something, and just you will get a reply. That's it about this video.